Okay, it is now Friday morning. They have all been weighed, and each one has gained about 20 grams each. And they seem alert and happy. They're getting more used to me. They're getting more used to the camera, too. So, there's little Chipmunk. There's Cappy. Buttercup. And there we have Penguin. And we have, whoops, Minky running around and stretching. So they're all doing great. There's little Cappy right there. So they still don't like the camera. They're camera shy. But they're doing good.